I saw that he has a check light on. Got a P0353, which is primary ignition coil. Every time I get a misfire DTC, I like to go by the exhaust. So basically it does sound like it's have a definitely misfire. This is number 1 firing. Let's go to number 2. This is number 2 that's firing. Let's go to number 3. Basically I'm getting a flat line on number 3. On number 4, I'm getting any firing.
1 hour later.
Went out and got some plugs, right? Also we got a new coil, so we're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on the coil. As I said, we're getting 25 kV on this one. This is number 2, getting like 25, 27. Number 3, we get action, which is like, let's say 20 kV. And this is number 4. Alright, so let's clear this code. So yeah, we're gonna call our fix.